Hello everyone, this is Gerald and welcome back to my channel. It's Island 808 Motovlog. Today it's June 16, 2021. It's another episode on my channel. And before I start this video, I would like to say thank you to all my subscribers and new subscribers. Thank you for trusting and supporting my channel. It's an endless innovation on my 2020 Yamaha MT-09. Today we're going to install engine case cover and clutch case cover. Basically, the purpose of this vlog or video, I'm going to show you how to install the parts, and the primary function of that is to, of course, protect your engine and clutch as well. So I would like to shout out all the riders here in the United States and of course as well in the Philippines.
A few moments later.
So this is the parts and tools that we'll be needing for installation. So the tools will be T-wrench and a hex bit socket, and we have this engine case cover and clutch cover. We have some Allen bolts and extender. So basically I'm gonna post on the video how to assemble this. I already pre-assemble it, so it's gonna be more easier and faster to install. So I'm gonna show you where it's gonna be installed. So that's the engine, and the next one will be, the other one will be here. That's the clutch area.
Later.
Alright, so the first thing that we're going to install is we're going to remove this Allen bolt from here, these two bolts, and there's another one here. So we're going to use this T-wrench to uninstall the bolt. Super easy. And of course you're going to torque it after. There's another one here. So basically, this is how it looks like. Already pre-assemble it. So there's 3 Allen bolts. They're actually, this one is long Allen bolts and the extender, and it's gonna be installed this way. So it's gonna be that way. I'm gonna do a hand tight first, then we'll start to tighten it up. Make sure it's in the right thread. That's how it looks like. I totally love the accent. There's a embossed logo or printed logo of Yamaha M29 and blue accent with the black combination there. Yeah, so basically we're just gonna tighten up just for a little bit tight, and after that we're gonna torque it later on. There you go. So it's super easy and fast to install. It's self-explanatory. So basically I'm gonna post the video how to assemble all these bolts and which bolt is which. So this one is done. We're gonna do the other side.
A few moments later.
So this is how we assemble this. This is for the clutch cover. So there's 2 small Allen bolt here and 2 long one, and that's the extender. So we're going to install it here. So the first thing that we're going to do is remove this plastic cover, of course, because we're not going to need this anymore. Yeah, so we're going to take this bolt here, this bolt, and yeah, that's it, and this one. Start here. It's not hard to remove, it's just super easy. And I love this T-wrench. It's just make the job handy. Last one. So it's either you can torque it later on or hand tight. Depends on you folks if you want to torque it or hand tight. So basically, for me, I just specifically torque it. So this is the plastic clutch cover. So this is how it look like, and it's just pretty much the same. It's just the cover, and of course before we install that protector or cover, we're gonna clean this. It's kind of like it's dirty. Okay, so we're just gonna wipe it real quick and make sure everything is clean. So you don't wanna install the cover and it's dirty. It's gonna cause off rust. Alright, so this is gonna be how it looks like. So we're gonna install it this way. Of course, first you need to hand tight it. And use the 2-inch. So yeah, this one, another 2 short Allen bolt here. Goes here. Super easy. Okay, so basically there was 4 bolts that I uninstalled. I started here, right here, and 2 at the back or behind of this, and yep, that's it. So it's super easy, self-explanatory. That's the clutch cover. It's amazing, looks awesome. And this is the stock one. So yeah, job is done in about 20 minutes, 15 minutes, 15 to 20 minutes. It's plug and play. Hello everyone, this is Gerald once again saying thank you for tuning in to my channel today. We'll see you in the next vlog. I hope you learned something today regarding installation of clutch and engine cover. And for those who haven't been subscribed yet, you can click the subscribe button and notification bell so you will be notified on my latest vlog. Shout out all the riders all over the world, all the moto vloggers, YouTubers, and we'll see you again.